Hello everybody, I'm Kaylin Jackson and I decided to show you guys a really cool website called Daily Starters by Scholastic. And what this is basically it gives questions for each subject for every single day for something to start the day with and to get your kids thinking. So the first thing, as you can see here, it's set for pre-K to kindergarten, but you can change it to any grade level. So we can go here, and then it has a whole new set of questions. So like this is language arts. Today, September 13th, 2018, is talking about there, and there, and for them to place it in the right section. And then for math, it's talking about fractions. And they also have fun facts and teachable moments, which is pretty cool too, because you can also, if you want to get them to write about something, like this is talking about coast redwoods, them being the tallest trees in the world, you can write an opinion paper, you can write a lot of different things, or like a paragraph just to get them thinking for the day. There is a class view section, so this is what the class would see if you could put it on the board every day. And you can reveal the answer by clicking right here. And yeah, so it's a really easy thing to kind of check up on. And you can also, which is great, you can go to previous days. So like as you can see, I'm going back and there's just different questions for every single day, which is pretty great to have just in case you don't like the question for the day. And you can print out the page for that. And the greatest part about this that I actually love is that there's a teacher's guide right there that I just clicked on, and this is Daily Starters Grades 3 through 5 Teaching Guide. So it gives you an overview of how these daily starters can be used in the classroom for that day. So you can teach a lesson, you can do lesson extensions. So there's just a lot of different ideas that they give you every single day on this website, especially if you are running out of ideas in the morning or want to throw something up there while you're finishing up planning for the rest of the day. It can be a great strategy. So yeah, I love it, and I hope you guys use it in the future. Thanks for listening.